afternoon, sir. My name is Muhammad Afiq Aizat bin Muhammad Shukri. My matric number is D2024111370. I am from course Tahfiz Al-Quran wal Qiraat with Education. Today I will talk about topic 31, importance of having supportive friend who understand and accept us for who we are. Supportive friends are important because they help shape our happiness, personality, and mental health. Example, a supportive friend stay by our side during both happy moments and difficult times. First of all, emotional support. Supportive friends give emotional support by listening and helping us when we feel stressed or worried. For example, when I struggle with a difficult project, my friend help me and motivate me until I complete it successfully. Secondly, acceptance. True friends accept us for who we are and allow us to express our feeling freely without judgment. Example, I can share my worries or silly talk with my friend and they listen without judging me. Besides that, personal growth. Supportive friends encourage us to improve and help us learn from our mistakes in a positive way. For example, after I score low on a test, my friend helped me study and I perform better in the next exam. After that, joy and meaning in life. Friendship add joy to life by creating happy memories and meaningful shared experience. Example, spending time blogging, celebrating small achievement or hanging out together make life more enjoyable. Next, life lesson. Supportive friendship teach us important value such as empathy, patience, and loyalty. Example, by helping a friend during a hard time, we learn to care for others and be more understanding. In conclusion, supportive friends make our life happy, help us grow, and support us through challenge. For example, friends who always support, understand, and encourage use us a truly a valuable gift in life. Thank you, sir.